Hello students, very good morning. Today we will discuss our BSc semester 3rd related unit 4 groups. Here the definition of group is defined in this manner: an algebraic structure G, O where G is non-empty set and O is a binary operation defined on G is called a group if the binary operation O satisfies the following postulates. These following postulates, if it follows or satisfies, then it is called a group. The axioms of group are given in this manner. These postulates are called group axioms. The first axiom for group is closure property. See, closure property: if A and B belong to G, if A, small a and small b belong to G, then AOB also belongs to G. Then AOB, where O is the operator, so AOB also belongs to G. That is, in this manner, in a symbolical representation, we can write it in this manner: A belongs to G, comma B belongs to G. It implies that AOB belongs to G for all AB is element of G. Now see second axiom, that is G2, associativity. The binary operation O is associative, that is, if A, B and C are elements of G, A, B and C are elements of G, then AOB in one bracket OC is equal to AO in bracket BOC for all A, B, C are the elements of G. This property or this axiom is associativity, which I have discussed. Now see existence of identity. It is G3, existence of identity. There exists an element E in G. There exists an element E in G such that EOA is equal to A is equal to AOE for all A is element of G. The element E is called identity. The element E is called identity if AOE is equal to A for all A is element of G. If AOE is equal to A for all A is element of G, then E is called E is the right identity. If EOA is equal to A is equal to AOE for all A is element of G, the element E is called identity. If AOE is equal to A, means what? Identity is expressed in right side. Identity is expressed in right side here. This identity is expressed in right side. That's why the element E is called identity. The element E is right identity. The element E is right identity, and when EOA is equal to A, then E is called left identity. Then E is called left identity because here E is mentioned in left side. E is mentioned in left side. That's why it is left identity. Now G4 is existence of inverse. Existence of inverse. For each element, A is element of G, there exists an element of G called inverse of A. There exists an element of G called inverse of A, and it is denoted by A inverse. See, this is the denotation for inverse. It is A inverse such that A inverse OA is equal to E is equal to AO A inverse, where E is the identity element for operator O, binary operator O. So in this manner we can say that the postulates of group are finished. Postulates of group with definition, it is finished. If it follows these all axioms, then it is called group. So here only I am ending my this definition. Thanks a lot for watching my channel.